Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at JASMY coin or JASMY. JASMY is currently at the 0.00489 dollars level. We are currently ranked at 192 with a market cap of about $241 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $29 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for JASMY. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 1 week we are up we are down 8.1% right here for JASMY to the downside, and in the last 24 hours we are up about 2.7%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. And we're on the chart right here for JASMY versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And so JASMY has been playing out exactly as predicted. As you can see right here, we flipped bullish when we saw our EMAs, or our trend EMAs, flipped bullish, and since then we saw our JASMY pushed up a whopping 125%, right? And we began to say warning right here. We said a lot of warning signals right here on the channel that we could see one more retracement right back into the 0.0424 level before we continue with our bull run right here to the upside. And as you can see, the moment we saw also our trend EMA turned bearish, we continue to say that JASMY could see one last push to the downside before we see another push to the upside. And as you can see, everything is going exactly as predicted. JASMY has since been pushing down, right? So what are we expecting next, right? We could see JASMY have some sort of sideways price action, 2%, 3% right here, but we are still below the bull market EMA, and we are still expecting one last drop, right? One last drop before we see that sort of massive push to the upside, right? And so these are the levels you want to begin accumulating right here on these levels. As you can see, we are still expecting one last drop. We haven't seen that bullish divergence yet. We are still seeing even more selling price action. So we are expecting one more drop right here for JASMY into the 0.04235 level before we see that massive bounce. So expect one more drop, right? As you can see, our EMA is still bearish at the moment. We are expecting one more drop into this level before we see that sort of massive bounce to the upside right here for JASMY, right? So in the short term, JASMY is still bearish, like we have been saying. We have been saying this right here from the top, and since if you sold right here when we had the first video of the signals, you would have avoided this 35% dump right here on JASMY, right? So this is not yet time to buy, as we could see one more drop right here for JASMY before we could see that pump to the upside, right? So if you have been following it, we are expecting one more drop right before we begin to buy the dip right here on our positions, waiting for that push to the upside. So we are still expecting price going into that 0.04235 level before we continue our push to the upside, right? So that is the update right here for JASMY. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.